Let's learn vegetable names. Tomato, it is a tomato. Onion, it is an onion. Spinach, it is spinach. Eggplant, it is eggplant. Zucchini, it is a zucchini. Corn, it is corn. Broccoli, it is broccoli. Bell pepper, it is bell pepper. Lettuce, it is lettuce. Carrot, it is carrot. Cucumber, it is cucumber. Pumpkin, it is a pumpkin. Reddish, it is reddish. Green beans, these are green beans. Garlic, it is a garlic. Ginger, it is a ginger. Fennel, it is a fennel. Sweet potato, these are sweet potatoes. Cabbage, it is a cabbage. Asparagus, this is asparagus. Potato, these are potatoes. Beetroot, this is beetroot. Peas, these are peas. Cauliflower, it is cauliflower.